So y'all, we ran into a problem. I was just going on a walk, going on a trail with the GoPro mount, trying to get some footage on the trail and stuff, just to look over my damn self. I don't know what this Tesla is doing. She probably seen that my car messed up. She said I'm good. Appreciate y'all, but yeah. Nice person right there. He seen that my hood is open. I couldn't even get to y'all because y'all already seen that my car was messed up, because I said it as soon as he down there started slowing down. I don't know what he was going to do with an electric car. I don't know if I'm retarded. He probably can charge up my battery. Stupid. Now that I told y'all that my battery is dead, I've been parked here for like 2 hours or so. Went on my trail for about an hour and a half or two. Came back and tried to start the car. And let me show y'all what happens when I start it. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Trying to start it. Like, it wants to crank, but it's not trying to start. Like, I just got the car tuned and all that, y'all. So I really don't know what's going on. So, but luckily, thanks to my guy Jackson at Auxito, we got a portable cable, portable charging cable, portable jumper cables, portable whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna put y'all right here on my GoPro chest mount, and we gonna crack this thing open, even though it's already damn near cracked open. Yeah, man, and see how to work this thingamajigger. Nice thumbnail cheese right there. Wait, hold on, let me get this picture. Jump starter. It's a better picture with the Auxito and the, oh, it's a great thumbnail right here. The intake showing. Yep. Gonna get this popped open and see what this is about. Ignore the ash on my hands. I like how the presentation is actually pretty nice. You got a handle right there. You can really swing that thing. Shit, look bulletproof. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all.
What?
Go ahead and unzip this. And I kind of love this. Ooh, I love this chest mount with the GoPro because I don't got to put it on my head. It's not too high. You guys can literally see everything I'm doing. So we got this. I'm probably not going to read that. Figured out my damn self.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This is probably the main unit. Oh, it got a light on there too, y'all. Okay. Keep in mind, you guys can go shop code STINO for 15% off on the whole website. You feel me? Don't ever tell me that I ain't get y'all right. Let me go ahead. Don't ever tell me that I ain't. Oh, that shit look good. Hold on. Damn. 90% for 6 out. Okay. Start ready. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm not ready yet. Let me go ahead and get this shit situated. Hold on. How the heck turn this shit off? Oh shit.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Sure, it's self-explanatory. This is a Type-C cable, and this is also another form of a Type-C cable with a USB. So you got the fast charger Type-C cheese, and they gave you the USB Type-C cheese. You feel me? They gave you 2 in 1. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. Take this, find the jump start right here. Oh, and that's how you charge it, guys. DC, Type-C, USB 2, USB 1. So you can even charge your phone on here, guys, which is pretty handy if you're stranded. Plug that in, automatically connects. Start 92% out. Let me pop my battery cap. For the ones who don't know, my dad always taught me that people look at black guys as negative. So you put that black thing on the negative charge, and yeah, the rest is history, man. So you clamp that on there. Let me, oh shit, I can't even see what I'm doing. I'm glad I adjusted it. USB 1, start. Alright, y'all. Seems like I do need the user's manual because I did not know what the hell I was doing. So you press ready, Damn, call my phone, man. Interrupting my sponsor video. My dicks. I read the manual halfway for real. So what they said, do press on. Then you press on, 90% out, press start. When you press start, you're gonna hold this charge button for 7 seconds. It's gonna stay ready. And I should be charging my car right about now. Should be done. So shout out to Auxito. Let me see if it's gonna work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks to Auxito once again. Make sure you guys shop down below, 15% off. Got me right. Came in handy. I would have had to call AAA. I would have had to call the tow truck. I would have had to call somebody, because as y'all can see, there's no one here with me. We can just enjoy the views now that my car is running. I'm gonna let her idle a little bit. Unplug these cables on there. Like I said, my dad always told me, people say black people are negative, so put that black charge on the negative battery. But we gonna let her warm up. I'm gonna give y'all a few revs. I haven't really made any videos since I've tuned the car. She seems to be running good. I love how nice and compact this is as well. Really nice and compact. I can just close it just like that. Zip it on right up. Yes, sir. Nice little handy handle as well. Should be all good to go. Oh, shit. What's up? Sir. I'll put this in the back seat. Throw that right there. And set this GoPro up so I can give y'all a few revs in the back of that motherfucker. You hear what I'm telling y'all? I might do flame back for y'all too. Here goes flame back. I'm not sure if the car's warm up to do it. It is pretty cold out here, so I don't know if it's gonna really shoot anything, but we're gonna see. Yeah, yo, all I smell is straight gas right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Straight gas. We'll go ahead and hop in the car and take off for y'all. Back in race map, by the way. I did not be driving around in flame map like that. That shit burned way too much gas. I hear what I'm telling you. Ooh. People coming here. I'm glad I'm leaving. Shit. Ooh.
Thank you. Come again.